welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a review of the Be Perfect and Mmmichtell highlighting collab with Be Perfect Cosmetics. I don't know why I thought I needed this, but I did get it, and I definitely have some thoughts. So it was $46. We'll get into swatches, all that stuff you guys will see on my face. But yeah, we are going to do a quick little review of this guy. You can see about my face, I'm not that happy about it. Definitely not a first impressions. I have been using this for the past week to make sure I can give you guys my actual thoughts on the palette. So if you're interested in what I think about this and if it's worth your 46 bucks, then let's go ahead and get into this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And let's go in. So let's go ahead and look at this baby. So Mitchell is a very young but talented makeup artist from the UK, and I really do like him. I watch a lot of, whenever he does, makeup on people. Obviously, he's a makeup artist. But I was really excited when he came out with this palette, and I thought, like, oh my gosh, I saw the picture with, like, I don't know if it's picture or video, but, like, he was using it on, like, Jeffree Star. I've seen some other influencers have it on their face, and I'm like, ooh, okay. And I haven't bought a highlighting palette in a long time. Not highlighters, I buy those all the time, but a highlighting palette, I have not. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try something new. I ordered this and the Stacy Carnival palette from Be Perfect, because I was like, I might as well get two different things and try them out. So here was what she looks like. Definitely a wide range, which I thought was like a really good idea, because I was like, okay, good, it will fit all skin tones because it has all different types of colors. And you get a really nice big pan size, 46 US. But yeah, these are the swatches. So definitely does not necessarily reflect what I see in the pans. The darker shades for sure, but the lighter shades, I thought this was definitely gonna be a more wearable palette and not have like all the special type shades. Here we go. Oh, you guys can see them up against each other. But there's something about, it's not even the colors that bother me. It's something about the actual formula that I'm just like, this is not what I thought it was going to be. So I'm going to go ahead and do a swatch for you guys again, just dipping into, this is the shade Made It. And I want you guys to kind of see, like, I don't know if you guys can see the way it goes on, but it's very chunky. It's very kind of stuck in my little arm hairs. But it just does not. And the thing is, I don't care about the texture right now, but like you guys can really see it in those shades. But on the face is what I'm just like, what is this? So one, I've used almost every shade in this palette to just kind of test out and see if they were all the same or different. The shade that actually works best on my skin tone, like, let's just go ahead and go in. Let's just do it. So I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with Max Fix Plus. I did already do a video on this look here. If you guys want to see that, that will be in my next video. So, using the Urban Bible palette. Okay. So face is nice and sprayed. That's how I feel about that. You get a nice mirror in here. That's good. So, let's go ahead and go with the shade Babley. We'll go with that. So, kind of like the lighter pink shade. And this is what I found. It's okay if I literally just go on the high point of my face, just like that, and that's it. Like, not bringing it down or anything. I can use this like this. But if I were to go in like I normally go in, which is a little bit more up and a little bit further in, it really emphasizes texture. And then from the front is what I don't like. It just kind of, like, this is the only shade like this, and OTT I didn't mind as much. So we're actually going to layer OTT over this, which is like this shade, which looks dark in the pan, but is actually fine for my skin tone, which I thought, which was nice, because I was like, what other shade am I going to use in this? But I just don't like the texture of this. Like, I don't like the way it's emphasizing, and I don't have a whole bunch of zits right there or pores, so I don't know. I don't, what do you guys think? And I feel like it casts a shadow from the front, like, in a weird way. So on a different clean brush, I'm going to take the shade Made It and try it out on this side. but I don't feel like that. Like, I like white gold shades a lot, but do you guys see what I mean from the front? It just kind of, it just doesn't do it for me. Let's go ahead and try something else. So let's try a Lifestyle. And look how much product that picks up. And then let's go like right here. I don't know if you guys can see anything happening right now. But there's just something about the texture of the pans that I'm just like, I don't love it on the face. Which I'm like, shame on me for buying freaking another highlighting palette. You know what I mean? Because I probably shouldn't have done that. I just don't like this white cast it leaves. It's like, it's not the worst thing I've ever tried by any means. I'm not saying that or trying to be like overly dramatic. It's just for 46 bucks, I expected a little bit more. And the formula, I just don't like it. Like, now I feel like I'm filming and I'm like, I swear on camera it looks so much nicer than it is in person. But it gives off just a weird cast on my face that I'm like, I don't enjoy this. We're gonna add OTT on the other side because at least that one's kind of okay. There we go. All right. And then, I mean, I knew this one was gonna be too dark, which is fine because you can use that as a lid shade. But I want to go show you guys a close up of the palette and see what the palette already looks like after a week. And you guys can see like that weird texture in the middle of the pan. And that's kind of what I'm talking about. It's just a very weird formula that I'm just like, what is this? This is not what I thought it was going to be. And then I thought maybe it's Be Perfect Cosmetics and maybe that's their formula and that's what they like. But like I said, I picked up this giant palette, which, oh my gosh, I'm so happy I picked up this palette, and I probably should have just picked up this palette. But I'm gonna swatch a highlight next to one of these, one of the highlights in that palette. And you guys can see like this one looks so much smoother than these ones. Like, if you like a chunky highlight, you will like this. And you guys know I love my highlights. I'm not that picky. But for some reason, this palette just is not doing it for me. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm not being a negative Nancy, okay? My panties were in a little bit of a wad the first few days. But now I'm kind of just like, it is what it is. And some people will love this, you know? Trash, treasure, the whole thing. So let me know what you guys think. Is this what you thought it was going to be? Does it look weird to you? Or am I crazy? I don't like the chunky flakes in this. Like, Mitchell, why? You know? I don't know. I don't know. Just for shits, let's go ahead and I'm going to go with Babley again because I feel like I like that one the most. But yeah, it's just a weird highlighting formula. I don't know. It's just there's something different about it that, but not in a good way. Like, so, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have picked this up, if you love it and I'm crazy, and if it's all in my mind, or if you were kind of like thinking the same thing, like this has a weird look to it. Now I'm interested to see how it like shows up now when I'm going to edit, because I'm just like, now looking in the monitor, I'm like, oh, that looks okay. But in person, not okay. But yeah, I did order mine from Be Perfect Cosmetics. I think you can get it from Beauty Bay. To be honest, I would just not, this isn't a palette I would recommend, unfortunately. Even though I really do like him, it's just, I'm kind of disappointed. Like, I'm just kind of like, what, no, I don't know what this was. I commend him for doing multiple shades that are going to fit everyone. I do like that about this palette, but yeah, I just wish it was better, or different formula, or something. Anyways, I'm going to stop yapping. I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know if you like these really quick reviews, or if you like more in-depth reviews, or what you prefer, but I would love to know, just because I want to make you guys happy, obviously. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell. This black smoky eye will be on my channel, so that way you're notified when I upload it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much.